Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Custom. So we did unbox the Challenger long back by Siku. That was not custom. That was just Dodge Challenger if I'm not wrong. I think a green color one. I'm not remembering that now. But I think around last year we did the unboxing. I think start of 2024 or something like that. Okay. Let me just put this aside, and here is the casting itself. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting, man, this looks absolutely gorgeous. The paint job is really awesome. So the logos here. Okay, so the headlights are actually painted. It has grill details and the logo placement is really nice. The purple color looks absolutely awesome, and along with this green, it kind of feels like a little bit menacing. And okay, so the body is fully metal. The intake is, air intake is plastic, and the spoiler is plastic. And you can see the interior here. This has openable part as well. Let's get into that in a minute. So it has tail light details as well. Honestly, the paint job is really nice. It has rear view mirrors, and I don't see any scratches on the windshield, which is really nice. Okay, let's go to the chassis once. Oh wow, the chassis has a lot of detailing on it, along with the car specification as well, which is really nice. Okay, so the wheels are actually, the tires are actually rubber. So the rims are plastic as usual, and it has openable doors. Okay, it is a bit hard to open. Okay, okay, it is. You can open it really in a wide way. It is really nice. It does have some good interior detailing to it. Maybe not in the level of that Supra or whatever we unboxed last week, but it does have some good interior detailing to it, and I'm happy about it, to be very honest. And it snaps back really nice and tight. It's not loose or anything. Honestly, this gives Majorette a run. I really wish Siku is back in India. Okay, let's weigh this casting. It is really heavy. I'm expecting somewhere around at least 50 grams. Okay, exactly 50 grams. That's really nice. Okay, let's see if this fits the track. It does. Let's see if it rolls. Wow, it does roll really well. Even though it has some kind of wheel wobble, but it still rolls really well. The front wheel wobbles a lot. Let me just zoom in a little bit. The front wheel wobbles, but still it rolls really well because it is a bit heavy. Even with the rubber wheels, this does roll really well than a lot of Hot Wheels. Again, those cars are supposed to roll really well because those are actually toys which are meant to be played in tracks or even in whatever surface it is. But these things really are something else, and these things are really nice. Even compared to Majorettes, this things rolls really well. So if you get a chance to get this casting, my suggestion would be go ahead and get it. Don't hesitate, because you might think that you lost something really good. Of course it is really nice, and if you lose, at least if I might have missed this out, I would have really felt awful. This is the first casting when I which I saw when I actually went inside that shop. Rest of the things, when after I picked this one, I started picking other castings which we unboxed in last week, and which we are going to unbox the next 2 days. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.